सही है. Hello everyone. We hope you are doing well. I and Ms. Shamira welcome you in our third online PE class of term 3. We start with the warm up first. Okay. Now students, you can see this white line and that the blue line. This space is near 10 feet. At home, you can put two books or two different things to make sure that you do warm up within this measured distance. Okay, I am starting with white line, blue line. Okay, we do jogging first. One, two jogging round. Now side steps. One. This is one round. Two round. Now high knee. One round. Two rounds. Now we do stretches. Neck circling. One, two, three, four, five. Another round. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Feet more apart. Side stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change. Another side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, toe touching. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Feet apart. Now, right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We jump into that place. Now, jumping exercise. We do simple jumping jack. 1 to 8, 8 to 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. Okay students, today we have 6 activities. Today we start with activity number 1, squat walk. Before we ask Mrs. Shamira to demonstrate the warm-up, sequence is same. Each activity will be for 20 seconds. After 20 seconds, there will be 15-second break. Now, for the demonstration, over to Ms. Shamira. Squat walk.
Feet little bit apart. You can keep your hands here, or you can keep your hands here or here. It's up to you. Okay? Make a squat first, and then you have to slowly walk.
Good. Okay, your time starts now. Beautiful stance, squat and walk. Now this is the front view. Very interesting exercise, squat, walk. Okay, moving to our second activity, that is ab bicycles. For demonstration, over to Mrs. Shamira.
Okay. For this exercise, take the sitting position. Keep your hands by your side. Basically, this is a tummy exercise. So you have to bicycle.
Beautifully
With up,
stretching
in,
legs straight, then bicycle.
circles.
Okay, 20-second time starts now. Five seconds gone. 10 seconds gone. 5 seconds left. Stop.
Okay, student, now we are moving to our third activity, that is walking plank. Mr. Akram, show us the demo, please.
Okay, for demonstration. First, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Up. This is walking plank.
Okay. Now for this challenge, 20-second time required. Get ready. Start. Okay, stop. Okay, now we are moving to our next activity, that is walking plank with push-up. Okay, Mr. Akram, please show us the demo.
Okay, demonstration. 1, 2.
Okay, well done. For the challenge, we have 20 seconds. Get ready. Start. Okay, stop.
Okay, now moving to our last activity, activity number 6, that is walking plank with spider push-up. For demonstration, over to Mrs. Shamira.
First walking plank. 1, 2, 3, walk. 1, 2. Moving back. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, for 20 seconds, your time starts now.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2.
10 seconds gone.
1, 2.
Your time up.
Okay, our second last activity of the day is walking plank with push-up and knee to elbow. Mr. Akram will show us the demo.
For demonstration. 1, 2. Push up. Pushing the knee to the elbow.
Okay. Okay, for challenge, 20-second time, start now. Stop.
Okay, your time starts now. Beautiful stance, squat and walk. Now this is the front view. Very interesting exercise, squat, walk. Okay, 20-second time starts now. Five seconds gone. 10 seconds gone. 5 seconds left. Stop.
Now for this challenge, 20-second time required. Get ready. Start. Okay, stop. For challenge, we have 20 seconds. Get ready. Start. Okay, stop.
Okay, for 20 seconds, your time starts now. 10 seconds gone.
1, 2.
Your time up.
Okay, for challenge, 20-second time, start now. Stop.